alle video's en fragmenten check je op 538gemist.nl.
Staat op.
Goedemorgen, 6 minuten over 9, welkom bij.
We beginnen op de A4 Amsterdam-Delft. Staat op.
538.
Zo, het is inmiddels 7:50 en te wachten inmiddels zit Ruben Heijn. Goedemorgen.
Goedemorgen.
Hoe is het, behalve vroeg?
Het is goed en het is ook vroeg.
Ja,
dat zijn
ja.
twee verschillende dingen.
Ja, nou goed, dat maakt verder niet uit. Maar even goed ben je in staat om te spelen.
Jazeker.
En waar ga je mee beginnen?
We beginnen met een oud liedje, Elephants.
Dames en heren, live in de ochtendshow. Hier is Ruben Heijn.
The elephant left through a hole in the wall, and it can't be right to pretend that it all did not happen, 'cause it did. She turned away and nobody spoke of the china and window. The elephants broke just silence. And that's it. It seems that we both forgot. Trying to be something we are not. Tonight we were shown the truth, because that's what elephants do. Oh, we're so mistaken. Oh, we're so mistaken. We cover the mess with small talk. We can't even see it's our own heart that is a breaking. I'm breaking the rules, eh. The elephants will come back and they sure don't like to be ignored, like they have been before, like a bunch of fools, eh. It seems that we both forgot. We try to be something we are not, but if we can't live with the truth, the elephants cannot live too. Elephants die alone. Oh, oh. And elephants die alone. And elephants die alone. And elephants, oh, just don't, just don't. So let us start to remember all the things that we want to do. We should just give food over candlelight. I know I want to crush all the tables with you. I want to dance just like elephants do. I want to wreck everything that I once held for a place that is a home. Now I know that it's you that is home. That is home. That is home, yeah, yeah. Hold that down. Oh, don't, from the floor. All right now, blow, blow.
Wauw, Ruben Heijn.